Welcome back to another episode, and today we're going to be playing a kind of new game. It's not new, but it just started getting kind of popular. It's like a new game called Infectious Smile, and basically, if you know the what's it called? The winning smile face. You know what this is. Oh no, people are getting smiled on. Mountain collapse safe zone? Oh yeah. So okay. Oh. Get on the ground. No! Help me. Look at what he does when he takes away my face. I am now okay. Look, I'm just gonna purposely become one of them. Now the thing about being infected is you cannot wait a second, I thought I was infected. Okay, so before I actually turn infected, I better make it true here because and then now I can go like this. You're finally happy. Wee. No one will survive my wrath. I'm also going to be playing another game. Infection. There's also another one called a noob infection. Which it's basically the same, just with noob. You noob. I will crack your skull. No. You disgusting little worm. Am I? Yeah, I'm a human. I'm not infected. You will never infect me, Mom. Get away from me. I'm gonna become a... I'm infected. Hi, Mommy. Yes. Infect. Take her away. No! Oh, my skull! You're such a... Yes. I got her. She's now dead. What's this purple? What? Dab. Noob grenade. What? Wait, I think I know what a noob grenade is. And this might be... become infected if you go into the fog. You are mine. I will infect everyone I see. Oh no, it goes away. That's sad. Oh, come on. You know what? Ugh! Yes. Oh my god. Music. Man. Let me crack people's skulls. Where are you? No! No, please! He's kissing the back of my head. Ah! I will turn you into an infected. There. Hey, stop beating! Stop beating him! Oh my goodness! I'll take you away. There. That's what happens when you mess with us. We're not safe, you know. You have been infected, and you will suffer for your deeds, your sins. I can't really go. Ah! You killed the infected. Why do I have a checkered face? I'm thinking this. I don't know which. What? Who? Oh my. Oh my lord. Let's go, boys. This is what I look like, guys. I have different outfits. Is this a secret base? What? How? Oh. Oh, wow. Well, I have a blue wolf on me. No, stop. Oh, yes. They just killed an infected person. That's not allowed. It's the armory. Oh, this is where I died. What? Banana. Where are you people? No! Infected. Stop! You've been standing here for so long. gang. There you go. Huh? I've got my teammate. They have now been infected. I've killed my own teammate. We'll infect this world with the water virus. He is a survivor. Yes, we have more noobs on our side. You just accept that, you know? I'll just bring you in, you know? What the world? Where'd you go? You idiot! Okay, guys. I'm going to end the video here. Hope you enjoyed, and I will see you next time.